Hi guys, this is JD and you are watching JD's English Club, a place of English learner. Welcome you guys to another English speaking practice session. So guys, आजर वीडियो रे आमे किछि इंग्लिश रो शॉर्ट सेंटेंसेस प्रैक्टिस करबा जहा कि बिगिनर मानक पई बहुत इंपोर्टेंट. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस सेशन आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट टू गाइस जदि आपण चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करनांती तो एबे ही सब्सक्राइब करनियंतु एवं पाखर थिबा बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दियंतु सो दैट स्पोकन इंग्लिश रो कोनोसी वीडियो आपण केबे भी मिस करिवेनी. Let's get started. ईमानदार हुओ बा सचोट हुओ. Be honest. Be honest. बकबक हेबा बंद करो. Stop your gab. Stop your gab. कौन है आपनकर? Is it yours? Is it yours? मु घरे रहिबी. I will stay at home. I will stay at home. यह मते नेबा को दियो. Let me take it. Let me take it. मते एथरे किछि फरक पड़े नहीं. I don't care. I don't care. खुशी रुहो. Cheer up. Cheer up. से आउ नहांती. He is no more. He is no more. भीतर को जाओ नहीं. Don't go in. Don't go in. तुमको टिके शरम नहीं. Don't you have any shame? Don't you have any shame? एहाकु आउ केबे करिबाकु साहस करनी. Don't ever dare do it again. Don't ever dare do it again. आसो एकाठी जिबा. Let's go together. Let's go together. मोते आपनकर सहाय्य दरकार. I need your help. I need your help. मोते पचारनी. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. एहार किछि समाधान नहीं. It has no solution. It has no solution. बेसी चालाक हो नहीं. Don't be over smart. Don't be over smart. एथिरे हसिबार किछि नहीं. No matter for laughing. No matter for laughing. बेसी कथा कहनी. Don't speak over. Don't speak over. मोते फोन करो नहीं. Don't call me. Don't call me. तांको ऊपर भरोसा करो नहीं. Don't rely on him. Don't rely on him. देखो सेठी किए अछि. Look who is there. Look who is there. तुमे बेशरम लोक. You are shameless person. You are shameless person. एबे मु कोन करिबी. Now what I do. Now what I do. भगवान को प्रार्थना करो. Pray to God. Pray to God. तुमे जने स्वार्थपर. You are selfish. You are selfish. काली देखाइबो. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କହିଲ? What did you say? What did you say? ନିଜର ସମୟ ନଷ୍ଟ କର ନାହିଁ। Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. ମୋର ସହାୟତା କର ନାହିଁ। Don't favor me. Don't favor me. Thank you for watching guys. I hope एथर आपन किसी सिखिबा को मिलिथिबो। So please वीडियो को लाइक करंतु and चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु एबले बहुत सारा स्पोकन इंग्लिश रा वीडियो पाइबाकू। Take care. Bye.